Hello students, welcome to our channel. Today again I am going to take you in a brief about what is entrepreneur and what is entrepreneurship. As we are going through a subject of entrepreneurship, it's a startup for a new subject for high secondary, or we can say for 11 and 12. So it has some kind of a distinction. Okay, what is entrepreneurship and what are entrepreneur? There's a difference between them. Now let's see who is called entrepreneur. Entrepreneur are a person, a subject who innovate the idea with a creative skill. The idea that you want to create, you want to distribute, he is a entrepreneur. Okay, then who is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is an act of work need to be done. What need to be performed is an entrepreneurship skill. A person who create those innovative skills, ideas, they are an entrepreneur. And a person who create those ideas with his innovative skill, मतलब जो भी हम idea एक skill एक thought लेके आते हैं, the subject who perform, जो उसको perform करते हैं, subject who becomes the mentor, he is an entrepreneur. And the process, the skill work that he continue, he is an entrepreneurship. Clear? So there is a small difference between them. The person, the act or the subject maker is an entrepreneur. The process he continue, the need of action to be work, process of act of work to be done, he is an entrepreneurship. Clear? It becomes an entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is abstract feeling. Suppose a doctor is an entrepreneur. He treat a patient in a very small efficient way or in a very efficient way. It is an entrepreneurship skill. He counsels his patient. It's a skill of a person. It's an entrepreneurship skill. And a person, a doctor what? He is an entrepreneur. But the process and skill he applied to make a patient curable, it's an entrepreneurship. Clear? It's an entrepreneurship skill. So this was all about entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. The next video will go through about what is more regarding that, about what entrepreneurship and how it helps in a economical development, or what are its more features or more skills. Now students, please subscribe, share and comment our channel so that we can able to spread our views more than in a wide around. Thank you for today. So here we are going to see about the difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. So what is entrepreneur? It's what, as I showed you earlier, that entrepreneurship is a person responsible for setting new enterprise. He is a person who convert idea into an opportunity. Means what? Entrepreneur is a such subject which convert an idea into an opportunity and tries its best step, or you can say he uses best effort to utilize the proper opportunity to create the solution for every problem. But this entrepreneurship is a process, is a skill which help an entrepreneur to develop his business venture. Means it's an abstract process, we can say, which help an entrepreneur to establish his own venture. Entrepreneurs are what? It's a subject which we can see, because the mentor present which describe, whereas entrepreneurship is what? Is an abstract process which we can't see, but the process which we can continue, which we can see, which is going on in a way. Clear?